It was a scene like out of a movie, is what many are calling it, when 10-year-old Parissa Samuels jumped into the pool to save her cousin from drowning. She joins us now along with her mum, Nikisha Jacobs Samuels. Welcome to you both. How are you guys?
We are good. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Parissa, let me start with you. Tell me the story. You can't take the whole day if you tell me still now, but tell me the story, Parissa. Let me start with you. What happened?
Okay. Me and my aunt were looking for two of the babies inside. And then me and my aunt came outside to look for them. And then when we saw my baby brother standing on the pool deck, and we saw Nicolea in the pool. So when I saw her in the pool, I was so frightened. And so I just had to jump in for her and just get her out.
When you saw her, what was happening? Was she fluttering around? Was she not moving? What made you think that you had to go in for her?
Because she wasn't moving, she was still. So
yeah,
she couldn't move.
Were you not scared?
Yes, I was really scared.
Yeah. So when you went in, what you did? You had to pull her up and stuff. And what you did? Tell me how you got her to safety.
She didn't do anything because she was unconscious. So.
Wow. Mommy, when you look back at the tape, how do you feel?
I feel so proud and elated, because, she did it without hesitation. And, I'm so impressed. I'm still in awe.
Yeah.
As she did.
Why did you think that you needed your daughter to learn to swim? I am 114 and I still can't swim. But why did you think you needed to get her to learn to swim?
Well, I must give her Dad credit for this because he was the one who said, let us get Parissa to learn to swim. He cannot swim either.
Oh.
So, I took it upon myself to find a swim coach, and we just started the journey from she was 3 years old.
Yeah. Parissa, in being taught to swim, were you ever asked to do anything like what you did?
Actually, no. I was told to do some strokes, but I wasn't trained to do things like that.
Yeah. Now that you think about it and you understand what you did and it was such a wonderful thing, would you do this again, or were you a little nervous and said, maybe I shouldn't have done that?
Yes, I will do it again. I'll do it many times over and over again.
Okay. That's you in the pool right now?
Yes.
Parissa is a big time swimmer. Is this just a part-time for you? Do you want to take swimming seriously, or is just mom and dad says, well, you have to go learn to swim and play some tennis and stuff? Do you want to take swimming seriously, or this is just fun for you?
Yes, it's fun for me, and I also want to take it seriously. I actually want to be the next Alia Kings.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. So, moms, what does she do now? Does she still go swimming lessons, or no, she's a big swimmer, she just goes and swim when she's in the mood? What's going on with her re-swimming now?
Well, since the pandemic, we haven't been able to train as hard as she used to. So I have a trainer who comes in and helps her with some strokes so she can keep fit and keep her muscles fit, so that hopefully when the pandemic goes away, she can start full force again.
Yeah, and at 10 years old, what is the trainer saying? How good is she at this level? Or he hasn't realized that she's a big
Yes, he gave us some feedback, and he says he wants her to swim competitively again. And he says she's doing very well at the level she's at right now.
Yeah. By the way, how is your cousin now? Parissa?
She's actually really good. She's talking now and everything, and I gave her a doll so she could be happy.
How old is she?
She's 3.
Does she realize how serious things could have happened, and does she realize what's going on now?
Yes, she's actually scared of the pool now.
She's scared of the pool now?
Yes.
Wow. So what are you going to do about that? Is she going to take lessons and you're going to tell her it's nothing to be scared of, or no?
Yes.
Oh, that's what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Fantastic. What about school? What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is creative writing.
Creative writing? Oh. We have someone here that probably could talk to you about that. because, Auntie Delia is very good there. Creative writing. So apart from going to the Olympics as the next Alia, what else do you want to do in your life when you get, I was going to say, oh, like me, but no. When you get a big lady, what else you want to do?
But I want to be a swimming coach and I actually want to be a TV host just like you.
Well, no. Parisa, you should have told me that before, so you want to take my job, Parisa? Oh, Parisa, man. That's not fair. So you can swim, I can't swim, I know you want to take my job. I'm so very proud of you, though. How do you feel? You feel like you're a hero, superhero?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. If there is a story out of this, Mom, what is it? Because I wondered when I saw the story first, why was the 3-year-old all by herself? So if there's a story you want to tell the parents about what could have happened, what is it?
Yes, I want to tell the parents, to encourage your children to swim. I mean, take them, find a swim coach and let them learn to swim, because toddlers are like when you're frying plantain. I mean, as you turn your back, something is up.
Hold on, tell me that again. Toddlers are like when you're frying planting.
Yes, as you turn your back. I mean, even when you think everything is okay, as you turn your back, something, and you never know where you might be. You might be at an event, a friend's house, a family member's house where there is a pool. And just like Nicolia, who came to visit, she went outside for, less than a minute, and there she was, almost drowning in the pool. So parents, please find a swim coach or somebody in your family who knows how to swim, so that at least they can know how to save their life or to even hang on to the pool edge, because she wasn't in the middle. So, at least if she had the basic skills of how to hold on to the edge of the pool, I mean, she would have been okay. So that's the message I have for all the parents out there.
And the other part would be just keep an eye. You have to be really, really vigilant.
Really vigilant.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Fantastic. Great to meet you. Parisa, boy, I love you so much. And congrats on what you did. Probably the Prime Minister should give you an award for being this wonderful hero and to save your cousin. God bless you. Look after yourself. You start school now, right? School is on now, right?
Yes.
Online.
But it's not on now.
Yeah.
Not as yet.
How are you handling the online thing?
It's good. I'm not struggling. It's fine.
Yeah, but you would prefer to be back at school, right?
Yes.
All right. The next Alia. Well, you're not the next Alia. You're going to be Parisa Samuels, and you're going to be an Olympic medalist, a gold medalist. And then, hopefully, I can still talk and wave to you and all kind of things. So look after yourself. What school do you go to?
Mount Alvernia Prep.
Mount Alvernia Prep. There you go. God bless you. God bless you both. Much love to you both. Mommy, good work. And
Thank you.
Parisa,
Thank you.
amazing work. And say hi to Daddy and the rest of the family for us. All right?
Thank you. We will.
Yeah, man. She's 10. Parisa Samuels and her mom, Nikisha Jacobs Samuels. And I'm serious that the government could look at giving her an award for what she did. She saved a life. Whether you like it or not, she saved a life. And that's just fantastic.